In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a controller not working in Steam. If your controller isn't being recognized or simply refuses to work while you're trying to play your favorite games, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few simple settings that can often get everything working again. Let's jump right into it. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't already running, launch it from your desktop or Start menu. Once the application opens, check whether you're already signed in. If not, click the Login button and enter your account name and password. Be sure to type your credentials carefully to avoid any login errors. Then click the Sign In button to access your Steam account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From here, look toward the upper left corner of the window and click on the Steam menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select Settings to open Steam's configuration window, where you can customize different parts of the application. Inside the Settings window, you'll notice a list of categories along the left side. Find and click on Controller. This section contains the options responsible for how Steam communicates with your connected controllers and how they're configured for supported games. Once you're in the controller settings, locate the Steam Input option and make sure it's enabled. Steam Input provides compatibility for a wide range of controllers and helps Steam recognize them correctly. If it was disabled, enabling it may immediately resolve the issue. Give Steam a few moments to detect your controller, then check whether it's now responding properly. If your controller still isn't working, there's one more setting worth trying. Return to the main Steam window and click the Big Picture Mode icon located in the upper right corner of the application. Big Picture Mode is specifically designed for controller-friendly navigation and can sometimes resolve controller detection issues when launching games. After entering Big Picture Mode, try launching your game again and see if your controller is working as expected. In many cases, these simple adjustments are enough to restore controller functionality and get you back into your game without any further troubleshooting. That's all there is to it. Hopefully, these steps helped you fix your controller issue in Steam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.